Hi guys, this is our last holiday in Israel, and our last holiday was Purim, and I wanted to show you what we got in our Purim basket and hopefully give you some inspiration and ideas for what to put in your Easter basket. We celebrate both holidays in our family. So let's see up close what we got. And I'm gonna open it now. So many goodies. So many goodies. So heavy. All right, so this is authentic Israel, okay? Because we're in Israel and we got this from an Israeli. So they got this all in Israel. This is one of the first things that we opened, actually the first thing we opened, and it was hearts, and we already ate it. There's chocolate hearts, very nice, yummy.
Okay, so this is the inside.
Oh, I want chocolate. Me too.
Ooh.
I want chocolate.
There. Oh, the kitty.
This is a good idea, and when you make baskets, you should always have like little fillers. These are bonbons, you know, the chocolate bonbons. Some of them have things inside of them. Mostly they're just really soft, nice chocolate, and they're not filled. They're just like solid balls. But yeah, it's kind of like Lindor. I definitely recommend getting like the balls to fill in the empty spaces in your basket. Maybe lollipops or something like that if your kids like that. Okay, we got some finger sandwiches. Very nice. These are not filled, or are they? I can't tell if they're filled or not. I don't think they're filled. I think they're like biscuits for your coffee. My husband loves this. This is called click, like click in Hebrew. And they're just like balls. Sometimes they have like Rice Krispies or something in them, but this is a pretty substantial size package for a basket. Wow. Also, they taped things together, and that's a good idea to keep it all nice and together. Ooh, Hadar likes this. This is dark chocolate, 72% cacao. Or cocoa, they spelled it. So yeah, that's dark chocolate. Hadar loves that. Ooh, wow. These are, I don't know if it's Lowacker or Loker. I don't know. I've only seen this brand here, but I'm sure they have it somewhere else, you know, in the UK or whatever. These are chocolate wafers, the wafer snack, and everybody loves those. We have some more chocolate. Fine Belgian chocolate, very dark, extra dark. And as you can see, there is Hebrew writing on the back, as well as Arabic. Meshukladis, chocolate and candies. Oh boy. We have a box of cookies with cream filling. Oh, it looks like either butter or white chocolate. I can't tell what this is. And I can't read it either. We got that. So this is great. Box of cookies. Yummy. We have a card. Oh, somebody put this together. Okay. Yum yum. Bonobon wafer. Some Israeli candy there. Oreo! It's an Oreo 6-pack. It's good for anybody's basket. Hadar said there was a guy at work that doesn't like Oreos, and I think he's probably the only one that doesn't. Do you like Oreos? I love Oreos. These are corn pops coated with milk chocolate. Corn pops coated with milk chocolate. Let me see if it's like the cereal corn pops. It's a little ball. Yes, it is. Yes. Yummy. We got some more wafers. I think he did tell him that he liked wafers. This is our basket from Hadar's base. So they're the soldiers traded baskets. So this is ours. Very nice. Cream biscuits, chocolate flavor from Minuet, and they're square. They look fancy and tasty. Look how thick that is. Nice. Okay. Ooh, these look like marshmallow twirls. Look at that, that's nice. And this is adorable. It looks like a marshmallow candy like Peeps, except it's a skewer of clowns. Happy clowns. That's for the kids. They love stuff like that.
I get the yellow and Abigail gets the pink. I get the pink. Your brother gets the yellow. That means brother's first because yellow's here and yellow's down there.
All right, clown marshmallow pop. This was 8 shekels. It's like $2, but look how detailed.
Those are clowns.
Yeah. Okay, take the yellow one.
Yellow. Oh, this is marshmallowy. Alright, come on. Marshmallow.
Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is a traditional treat. I'm so glad that he got this because I wasn't able to get any Haman's ears. If you know about Purim, it's the story of the book of Esther, and in Israel, you make Haman's ears and you eat them. It's like a trophy, and sometimes they look a little different than this, but basically it's a triangle, and it's filled with, you know, it could be filled with puppies, date paste, chocolate, anything. They're very good, and I wasn't able to get any this year, so I'm glad that he included one of these in here. And finally, for date night or Shabbat, it's most likely going to be for Shabbat. We'll take it to the grandparents, the in-laws. We got wine. Now, I also do this for my kids. I don't give them wine, I give them grape juice. A lot of grape juice comes in wine bottles here, so it makes it, you know, during Shabbat, everybody has wine, and the kids like to mimic the parents, so they get the grape juice, you know, but it's in a wine bottle looking thing. So I think that was great. This is a great treat basket, and we will be eating on it for the next week.
It doesn't have much battery. Hey guys. Hey guys. We're gonna do some treats today.
We're just gonna do a little taste test because I wanted to open these and see what they were. I don't know if it's butter or white chocolate. I can't tell. So I'm going to show you as well in case you have never seen that before.
What's that?
Okay, they look like little meringue cookies.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yummy.
You have one? You
It's
have
no
one?
battery.
And I have one. Ooh.
Yummy. Boy.
It's definitely butter. They are so good.
They're good for me.
Wow.
They're good for me.
I'll show you again. Whatever this is, it is very good.
No charge.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's like a crispy kind of, it's not a soft cookie, it's like a kind of crispy and thin feeling, but then I don't know. It's very good. Never had it before? Very good.
Yeah, yummy. Bye, the camera's dead. Like and subscribe for more videos that we make. Yeah, we make a lot of videos, guys.
Yeah, we do. Bye.
Smash like Hulk, the like button. Smash like Hulk, the bell button.
Do it. So I hope that gave you some ideas of what to put in your kids' Easter basket, because that's coming up. And have a great day, and I'll see you later.